What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today we're gonna be going over this unboxing that I had to get these things, man. I had to. It was only right, man. I had to pick them up. I can't even cap. So we're gonna be doing this unboxing from STOCKX. You guys already see it by the thumbnail what's going down. I had to have them. Like, point blank, period. That's it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join your boy DaRetroWizKid in the Sneaker Dungeon family. All the love and support is greatly appreciated, and it does not go unnoticed. Let's try to get this video right here up to 100 likes. Splack that like button for your boy, and whatever it is you do, just make sure you do what you do at your best. Because at the end of the day, that's all that matters, is that you gave your best. And drop a comment down below and let me know if you guys pick these things up. Let's get straight to it. Yay! Extra, read all about it. Now, a little background while we do this unboxing. I ain't even got the knife or nothing. The knife over there, I'm gonna just leave it over there. Now, when I went after this shoe, y'all, my man's at the store was like, yo, last time we got 10 pair of this, you know, we might only get 4. Sometimes we only get 6. All right, first off, man, ain't no store just getting those 4 pairs of shoes, man. I'm sorry. I don't believe it. Let's get this box out of here. I just don't believe it, man. So I was just like, whatever, man. If you saying that you only getting 4 pair, hey, you only getting 4 pair. But you guys already see it, man. We're gonna get into this in-depth review of the shoes, but I got to do what I do at my best over here, and hey, woo, you can't go wrong with that one. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. These have officially been smell test approved by your boy DaRetroWizKid. Let's get these things up out the box, and we're in there. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Y'all know your boy had to pick up these, man. I had to pick up the SB UNC lows, and hey, I must say, hey, why they ain't make all the other ones like this? Y'all doing all these low tops, man, and y'all can do them like this. But I'm gonna show you guys a little something that I noticed on this pair already off rip. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get that natural light, hit y'all with that on foot. Y'all know, man, I gotta put them on foot, man. I gotta rock them, and I gotta see how these things hitting for. So let's go ahead, let's get this full review started. Yeah! So this SB collab was with Eric Koston. He teamed up. He wanted to purchase these shoes back in the day off the sale rack. His mom said no. She said, the shoes that you have on your feet are fine. Now, it has a unique thing on the inside of the shoe because the shoes were on sale on that rack for $24.99. I will point that out on this as well, and we're going to get right into this shoe. So on the bottom of the shoe, you see you have that powder blue UNC touch. UNC powder blue. I'm going to keep saying UNC, but you guys get where it's coming from. So right there on the midsole, we have the white with the baby blue peekaboo, and out the bottom, that is on the outer and on the inner panel of the shoe. Nothing has changed as far as color blocking. The only thing that is different is this is a low. Right here on the toe box, very, very different from all the other lows that have dropped this year. These have more of a OG type touch to me. You guys can see it has a nice leather texture on the shoe, pleather, leather, however you want to look at it. You can see that on my right shoe, it has more of a tumble than my left shoe. Now taking a look at the shoe again right here from the side, you guys see white shoestrings. We do have that baby blue powder check SB Nike right there on the tongue of the shoe. One thing that I will also tell you guys that you guys know, these do come with an extra set of laces, but no lace swap for me. No, I ain't lace swapping shit. On the back, you do have that Air Jordan on the back wings logo. I think that is extra fuego. We've been seeing that inside of the shoe. Nike SB right there in white with the powder baby blue inside. You see the Air Koston right there, and when you flip it, guys, you guys are gonna see right here, you have that $24.99 for the price that the shoes were back in the day when they were on the sale rack, and his mom would not let him get them. All in all, I think the shoes are fuego. You guys let me know what you guys think about these things. I did pick them up from StockX, so like I said, I had to pay a little bit over retail for these right here. In smaller sizes, they actually going for a whole lot more. I'm glad that I wear a size 11 and your boy was able to pick these up. Box gang, shout out, y'all see the box. We got the Nike SB box. Can't go wrong, man. Let me know in the comment section if you guys picked these up. This was a shoe that I just had to get after going to the store, putting in for the raffle, and finding out that crazy news from that dude. I had to have them. Let's get to the on foot. full detailed review and on foot of the Air Jordan 1 SB. This is a SB, Nike SB collab, but it's still an Air Jordan 1, y'all. And I mean, the UNC colorway, very classic colorway. I'm super happy that I'm finally able to add this to the collection. Now we smoking and cooking, y'all. Got the mid right here, UNC in the hand. Yeah, color and everything is totally different on these than it is on these, so we can get them out of here. And now we got the UNCs next to the UNCs. You guys can see they I'd say they kinda are the same color. I mean, maybe I'm tripping, maybe I'm not, but I feel like these might be just a tad bit shade off than the highs, but maybe I'm tripping, man. Y'all know, man, retro I be having some weird times with colors and stuff sometimes, but yes, very, very fuego, man. Happy to add these things. All the little small details that we went over about this shoe is dope. I'm sorry, y'all. I know you guys probably wanted a lace swap, but y'all know, man, ain't no lace swapping over here. So, no, you know, I couldn't lace swap. I had to keep the white laces in. Happy to add these to the collection. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. We're on the race to 10,000 subscribers. All the love and support is greatly appreciated from each and every one of y'all from the bottom of my heart. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spin them pictures for y'all. And hey, I'll catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. Get it!